Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all. 5 everyday habits that are secretly hurting your health. You'll want to stick around because some of these might surprise you. Let's jump right in. First up, sitting too long. It may seem harmless, but sitting for extended periods can weaken muscles and slow down metabolism. A simple fix: stand up and stretch for a few minutes every hour. Setting reminders can make it easy. Next on our list is skipping breakfast. Missing the most important meal of the day can actually slow your metabolism. Start your day with a balanced meal to fuel your body and mind. Habit number 3, too much phone use before sleep. The blue light from your screen can disrupt your sleep. Try switching to a book or listening to soothing music an hour before bed. Our 4th habit involves not drinking enough water. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and headaches. Make sure to keep a water bottle nearby and sip throughout the day. Finally, ignoring stretching. Stretching is key to keeping your muscles flexible and ready for action. Incorporate it into your morning routine for an energetic start. So, which habit are you guilty of? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. See you next time.